Let's show you how to make this lip scrub. You're gonna use 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon each of olive oil, honey and cinnamon. And you mix everything together until you're gonna get this thick consistency paste, basically like a scrub, to look like a scrub, thick. And you're gonna massage that about 10 to 15 minutes on your lips, or even less, you know, just until you get the desired effect. And that's it. Now I'm gonna apply this lip scrub on my lips. Here they are. I'm gonna wet them a bit. Oh my god, I have a crumb on my face. I think I've been with the crumb on my face for a while, I think. Anyway, so here's me applying the lip scrub. It smells really nice. It smells like a bit like sugar and olive oil. You can also put an essential oil if you prefer. It smells nice and alright like that, but if you would like, you can add an essential oil like lavender or whatever you like, tangerine essential oil or orange or whatever you prefer. I'm gonna put some water on my lips first. Now. And I'm gonna take a bit of the scrub. So here's, it looks very suspicious, but I promise you it's the same lip scrub, it's not something else. You can even eat this. Okay, let me hold this right up. Oh, look quite good with brown lipstick, I think. I should try it. So really massage in circular motions. Massage it in a circular motion all over the place. I'm gonna use the leftover of the scrub for my hands because I have plenty of scrub here. My sink is a bit dirty. Now, take it off. You can definitely see the result. My lips are soft, they feel very soft and like rose petal. And now what you need to do is put a lip balm, a really moisturizing lip balm. And that's that. And then you can put your lipstick on and that's it. It's really easy and it's easy to make and it's just ingredients you have lying around the kitchen. So yeah, oh, they're so soft. And I will put this on my hands as well because I like to feel my hands exfoliated once a week. If you could do something for the hands, or if you do it for the lips, you can definitely use it on the hands as well. And the honey that you use, it's really good if you use a more natural honey. I'm gonna link down below a really good one that you could use, and it's just natural, doesn't have sugar in it or loads of sugar. So yeah, I feel really hydrated. Let me put my lip balm on now. This is the one I'll use. I really like this one. I tried a few before I came to find this one. I like the nozzle application. It's really cute. And I like that it's very moisturizing. I use it all the time before bed. Look how nice this is. And almost injected with collagen or something, like they just look bigger too. They look so big. I don't know. I really like this recipe. You can improvise. This scrub is my favorite because of the cinnamon and the olive oil and the honey and everything. Yeah, I love this lip gloss, no, this lip balm. I love this lip balm. I'm a fan of REN products. They're a bit on the expensive side, but they're really worth it. I don't have many of them. I have a face mask that's for moisturizing your skin, and I think I only have 2 products from REN, but I would certainly invest in more because I really like the brand. So whenever I'll be able to, I will get some more stuff from them. See what else suits me from their range of products. And This says all skin types on this lip balm, and it's really good. I really recommend this one. It's very, very hydrating and moisturizing, and it just looks good on the lips. As you can see, it just looks like a lip gloss, like a clear lip gloss. It looks fab. It doesn't look, I don't know, I love it. I'm gonna link down this below, so you can find it really fast. And yeah, that's the recipe of this lip scrub. I really recommend it. And your lip balm, lip gloss or lipstick, whatever you'll be putting on your lips, is gonna just sit like a dream after this lip scrub. And you can use it on your hands as well. That's what I'm going to do now. Thank you for watching. Bye!